Right, for this we'll be talking about a new set of gadgets. So we'll be talking about drones. So this is a DJI Mavic drone. So first things first, when you keep your drones is to keep it the legs and the gimbal protection. It's the most important because that's the most delicate part is the legs of the drone. You need to unlock them before you can fully fly the drone. So first, then second, remove the gimbal. That's the gimbal protection, so that during transportation your camera gimbal is safe from movement. Then second is put the drone in a flat surface, then install the propellers. So I have 4 sets of propellers in which has different signs. So each propeller corresponds to each motor. So let me see closer. So there's a white and a black propellers, which corresponds to the motor. So black to black. So in installing the, so let me take you closer. Installing the propeller on a drone. Okay. So during installation, for example, there's a white, so you need to find a white propeller. So 3, and there's also a direction how to lock, so just lock it. So black goes to black, no white goes to no white. Okay, so you just, it is spring loaded here so that you can push, so white to white rotor. And okay, that's it for the, then batteries. These are smart batteries. So just press it. When you press once, you can see the status of the battery. This is one is fully charged battery. So just drop it, then hear a quick sound. Okay, so that's how you install a battery. So basically that's how you assemble your drone in preparation for flight. So you just need to check that unfold are fully in place. So there's an indicator on the drone. Okay, so that's how you unfold and prepare your drone for flight. So if you like this video, informative, keep it up, and also check the sensors if there are any blockage. Okay, and oh, then that usually doesn't happen, so it means that the propeller hasn't been properly locked. So double check your propeller, guys. So luckily the drone isn't flying, so need to install black to black. Okay, and in preparation, please do unfold your propellers also. I usually unfold this from this one. Do not turn on the rotor for this one. This is just to unfold like that. So the drone is already prepared for flight. So let's take another video on how to fly a drone. So keep in touch. So make sure that also the gimbals are not, there are no obstructions, because during the boot up of the gimbal, it will self check. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.